In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for project management. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to get started, helping you utilize Clickup's features effectively and understand why it might be a better choice than other platforms, like Monday.com. First, head over to Clickup's website. This is your gateway to a versatile and comprehensive project management tool, and it's where you'll kick off your journey. Once you're there, your next move is to click on the Login button. It's located prominently on the page, making it easy to access. If you've used ClickUp before, you can quickly jump back into your workspace. If not, it's a simple process to get started. Once you've logged in, you have the option to sign in using your Google account, which is a convenient choice if you prefer to streamline your logins. It integrates seamlessly with Google services, saving you time and hassle. After choosing your Google account, you'll be directed into ClickUp, ready to start managing your projects efficiently. Now, you will enter your workspace from the home page. This is where you can view all your active projects and tasks. It's structured to give you a clear overview, making it simpler to manage everything at a glance. To start creating and organizing your projects effectively, look for the plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to create a new space. Spaces in ClickUp are like containers for your different projects or teams. They help keep everything organized so you can manage multiple projects without confusion. Once you're creating a new space, you'll see an option to use templates. This is where ClickUp really shines. Templates are pre-made structures you can use, and they save you a lot of time in setting up your project management system. Type in project management when prompted. This will filter the available templates to those most relevant to managing projects. You'll find several options tailored for various needs, which can help you get started smoothly, especially if you're new to ClickUp or project management software in general. Once you've chosen a suitable template, click the Quick Use button. This instantly loads the template into your new space, setting the stage for you to customize it according to your specific project requirements. The beauty of using templates is that they provide you with a solid framework, yet still allow ample flexibility to tailor it to your exact needs. Finally, you'll want to edit the created space and tasks to fit your project perfectly. Take full advantage of ClickUp's features here. Whether it's adjusting task details, deadlines, or assigning responsibilities, ClickUp offers a flexible environment to modify each element to match your project goals. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to start using ClickUp for your project management needs. With its extensive features and ease of use, it could be the right solution to elevate your productivity and organization. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.